Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Archana from Learning with Play, and today I'm here again with some visual discrimination activities. Now in this video I will not be discussing what are visual discrimination activities and why do you need to do those with your kids, because I've already done that in my previous video. You can check it on my channel. For it is visual discrimination activities, and now this is going to be a part 2. I was not planning to make a part 2, but I have a few visual discrimination activities that I would like to share with you. So I'm doing a part 2 of that video. Okay, so let's begin. I'll just be sharing the activities quickly. So just go through the activities. In case you have any doubts regarding any activities, please feel free to get in touch with me. You can also comment in the comment box. And all these activities are paid activities. Now the activities that I'm sharing in this video can be done with the age group of 3 to 5 year olds. Okay, some of them will be done only by 5-year-olds and above. Some of them can be done by 3 years old plus. Okay, if you wish to purchase any of the activities shown in the video, please get in touch with me on my email ID or the WhatsApp number I have provided in this in the description box below. And also do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and keep the bell notification icon on so that you receive a notification as soon as I upload a new video. Okay, and you can also like and subscribe to my Facebook and Insta pages, the links of which have been shared in the description box below, because on those pages I share a lot of other activities also. Okay, so let's begin. Now this is the first activity. This has 6 activities in all. So this is all the activities. Now let me tell you very clearly, all the activities are an inspiration from the internet. It is just that I have designed the activities accordingly. So please feel free to check the activities. Okay, so let's begin. Now this is a honeycomb or a honey web that you know. Now I've given cutouts of these activities like this. So the child has to first see the placement of the activities, the colors, how the activities are placed. So they will have to place it accordingly. Here goes the green, then comes the orange. So they will have to see the placement. So it is a very nice fine motor skill activity as well as a visual discrimination activity, because they have to see the placement of the colors and their placement on the grid as well. Okay, so this is like one activity. This activity contains 6 different webs. So yes, this is one activity. Okay, the other one is a simple one. Okay, but this can be done with 3-year-olds, 4-year-olds. Okay, this is again a placement of the squares on the grids. There are 4 cards for the placement, and these are the squares that we have. The child has to see which card goes where. Okay, and accordingly place it on the grid. So it is like a good color recognition activity, good fine motor skill activity, as well as a visual discrimination activity. Okay, then next comes this activity. Okay, here this is a little difficult when it comes, because the child has to first locate the square here. They have to see what I am supposed to place here. They have to find the grid here. Then they need to find the card, the exact card, or with the star, the green star, yellow star, or what star it has. So it takes a time for the child to understand the activity. I think this is this one, because they have to see the placement of all the cards here. So this is how they will place the cards. They will find out the cards and they will place it. So it's a very good spatial activity also. Okay, moving on to the next activity. The next activity here I have is a very similar one, but now here there are a group of cutouts that I have. Okay, the child has to look at the shape, then he has to find out the exact triangle, square, and then place it exactly with the location. So it will go like this. Find out the yellow one, they place it correctly on the grid. Okay, so it is not a very easy visual activity, but yes, with practice they will be able to do it perfectly. Okay, and then there are different shapes that have been given here in the card, so they need to follow all the shapes and complete the activity. Moving on to the next activity. This is one more activity which is similar. The inspiration is again the internet, but I have made it my way. So yes, here the child needs to find out which grid and what objects are present. The size of the circles, the colors may be the same, but the size of each circle might not be the same. I guess this is the one. So here the child will place it. Okay, and similarly it will be for the other cards. Okay, I hope you can see the cards. I guess this is here. So accordingly they will place the cards. Moving on to the next activity. This simple activity which is useful for color recognition, and this can be done with kids 3.5-year-old to 4-year-olds. Okay, now this is number one. This has six different cards. Okay, for the placement, the child will look at the colors and their placements and will accordingly place the circles where they are supposed to be placed. Okay, so very fine motor activity, as well as a very good visual discrimination activity as well. All right. Okay, the next activity. Here we have the next activity. Here they have to check which circle lies above which circle and their placement. Okay, so they will find the red square here. This is the one. Then on the top of it they see a dark blue square, so they will place it here. On the top of it, both of them, they see the yellow square. So they have to see the placement, which goes below, which goes on the top, and which is in the middle. So there are 8 of them, and they need to do the activity accordingly. Okay, so they understand the placement of the objects here. So again the layers concept comes in handy over in this activity. Now the next activity I have is the match the balls, color of the balls. So there are 2 colors in each ball. There are 2 sets of this, and here I have given 2 colors. So the child has to see which 2 colors belong here, and the child has to match them accordingly. Okay, so this is like orange and blue. Then we have a pink and a dark blue. So the child will find where is the pink and the dark blue. Okay, here's the pink and the dark blue. So the child will accordingly place all the cards here. Okay, a very good visual discrimination activity again. Now the activity I have here is, again the child has to count the shapes. I'm sorry, the child has to see what shape. There are 2 sets. So the child will find out how many triangles, how many squares are there, and they will count the squares. I guess this is the one with 5 squares and 1 triangle. So this is how they will do the activity. Okay, so there are 2 sets of them. So here they will learn counting also, they will learn shapes also, and they will learn visual discrimination also. Now they are coming to the second last activity. Now this is a star. Okay, this is going from bigger to smaller. Now this can be done with any age group. Okay, so here I have the cutout of the stars. The child will lay the star, the biggest one. Here first you can start with showing them this card. Later they can arrange the cards themselves from bigger to smaller. Okay, like this. Alright, and here we have the last one. Okay, and now coming to the last activity, again an inspiration from the internet. but I have done it my way. So this is the activity card that I have. Okay, the child has to find out the placement of the stickers of the 3 stars. They might be horizontal or vertical or wherever they are. So but the sequence has to be the same. They can turn the cards and find out the sequence, or however they want to do it. Okay, so here for this orange, green and purple, if you can find the orange, green and purple, there's a red, green and blue. Then I have okay, so it's not a very easy activity, but it's a fun activity for the kids, so they can do the activity. Okay, let me try another one. It's a pink, green and blue. Okay, I find it here, so they will place the card here, and similarly they have the other cards to do. So that's it. These are the few activities that I wanted to share with you. Please like and share the activities with your friends and family, and please do like and subscribe to my channel as well. In case of any doubts, please feel free to connect. Thank you so much.